morning to one and all. Today we are going to learn the structure of human brain. As in the previous lecture, I taught you the structure of human heart. So in this lecture, we are going to learn the structure of human brain. So my main motive in both these lectures is to make you people understand the structure of human heart and human brain. Not going into the details of every part of the brain or the heart. That I will be taking in upcoming lectures. So let us start learning the structure of human brain. So what is brain? Brain is an organ of soft nervous tissue contained in the skull of vertebrates, functioning as the coordinating center of sensation and intellectual and nervous activity. So brain basically consists of three parts: forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. So we are going to learn in this lecture its structure. First of all, we'll be drawing midbrain, then after that hindbrain and then forebrain. First of all, you're going to make the balloon-like structure over here. Please observe it very carefully. Balloon-like structure, you're going to make it. Somewhat flattened balloon, like this. Then you're going to make two small more of balloon-like structures. Stop your pen tip here. Is this much part clear to you? Now, from this point, you are going to make the branches of the tree. Let me show you. Please observe it very carefully, very keenly, with full concentration. Like this. Branches of the tree. Like the branches of the tree. Actually, these are not that. Like this. Similarly on this side also. So, like this. Then you're going to make flower-like shape around this with dotted line firstly. Flower-like shape around this. Like this. Then you're going to do curling over it like this. Then you're going to double it like this and mark lines in between. Is this much structure clear to you? The very next step, you're going to complete this balloon. Actually, this is not a balloon. Two more balloon-like structures. You're going to make it. Then you're going to make arcs like this. Arc-like structure. From here, you're going to take your pen point and then extend it up to here. And this also. This one is your spinal cord basically. This one. Okay. Then like this. from here you're going to make hypothalamus. Like this. So is this much structure clear to you? This structure is of midbrain as well as hindbrain. This much. So now you're going to make the cranium, that is skull, cerebrum, that is the forebrain. You're going to make first of all hump-like structure over here. A hump, a kind of hump. And you're going to join this point up to here. Clear? And you're going to extend this point by making oval structure. By making oval structure and completing till here. Like this. Is that clear to you? You're going to double the layers of the brain. These are your layers of the brain. Meninges, please observe it very carefully. Like this. Then you're going to make the cranium, the skull. By making one more layer. You're going to merge this point in this line only. Okay. So these are your layers of brain and the cranium capacity. That is cranium, the skull. So the very next step is to draw the cerebrum properly by making lines in between. I am talking about these lines. Please learn these, that how we are going to draw the lines. Give a Y-shaped structure or either this X-shaped structure. Like this. So our structure of human brain is completely ready. Now the very next step which we are going to do is the labeling. So let us start labeling it. Please just wait. So first of all, this one is your cerebrum. Cerebrum. This one is your cranium. Skull. This one is your spinal cord. This one is your pituitary gland, the master gland of a body. Pituitary gland. This one is hypothalamus. This one is hypothalamus. This one is pons. This one is pons. This one is medulla. And this one is cerebellum, the part of the hindbrain. Cerebellum. So pons, medulla and cerebellum together constitute the hindbrain. This one is basically your midbrain, this part. This one is your midbrain. These one are your layers of the brain. Layers of the brain, namely dura mater, arachnoid matter. So, and pia mater is the innermost one. Oh, is that clear to you? Now the structure is completely ready. This upper portion is your basically forebrain. So now the structure of human brain is completely ready. The structure of human brain is completely ready. So with this, thank you.